Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Redshift ML with LLM features for forecasting automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Redshift ML with LLM features for forecasting automation, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift service. Select the appropriate cluster where you want to enable Redshift ML. Ensure your cluster is running the required version of Amazon Redshift. Once your cluster is selected, go to the Cluster tab. Locate the Database Configurations section. Here, find the option labeled ML Features. Enable the ML features by toggling the switch. After this is enabled, you need to grant permission to use Amazon SageMaker. Open the IAM Management Console in a new tab. Create a new policy or select an existing one for Redshift to access SageMaker. Make sure the policy includes permissions for SageMaker operations such as SageMaker, Create Model and SageMaker, Invoke Endpoint. Once the permissions are set, return to the Amazon Redshift console. Run the command to create a new ML model using SQL. Start by writing the Create Model SQL command. Specify the data source and parameters according to your forecasting requirements. Use the LLM features by incorporating the relevant function in your SQL command. Execute the command to deploy the model. After the model is created, utilize it for forecasting by invoking the model through SQL queries. Check the results of your forecasting queries to analyze the performance. Monitor and refine your model periodically to ensure accuracy. Utilize the insights from your forecasts to enhance decision-making within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.